Night held its breath, city lights slow and yellow. Too many years of waiting, too many promises hollow. They spoke talks and tables while the streets ran dry. Mothers counting footsteps, fathers learning how to lie. A line was crossed in silence, a choice made before dawn. No drums, no speeches, just boots on concrete drawn. Liberty moves in the dark, justice without the war. No banners in the firelight, no knocking on the door. Liberty moves in the dark, truth doesn't beg or plead. When words have lost their meaning, action plants the seed. Oh, faded, votes buried under stone, names written in the margins, prisons packed with bones. Gold left under soil while hunger filled the streets. Power dressed as order, fear counting out its beats. They say wait for permission, wait your turn, wait your day. But evil grows in patience when good looks the other way. Liberty moves in the dark, justice without the war. No crown, no conquest, just law at the core. Liberty moves in the dark, light cuts clean and fast. You don't need an army to end a lie that lasts. The world woke up shouting, some cheered, some cried foul. Friends stood up straight, tyrants clenched their jaws. Those who trade in chaos called order a crime. Those who profit from ruin said now's not the time. But the people felt the shift like rain on burning ground. When the man at the top is finally walked down. Liberty moves in the dark, justice without the war. No victory parade, just a cell and a door. Liberty moves in the dark, hope doesn't need a flag. It needs a steady hand and a spine that doesn't sag. Oh, oh, hey. Oh, oh, hey. Let the courts do the talking, let the truth take the stand. No revenge in the ledger, just the weight of the land. Liberty moves in the dark, soft as a turning key. When someone finally acts and the fear leaves the street.